Eto brother, para lang magets mo na lahat. This one, it pulls out. So, ito, it locks siya. Ayan. So, it locks. It doesn't really move. Pull out. You gotta pull out table. You gotta pull out table. This one, as you can see last night, goes up. Lalagay ko din later. I-fix ko na kasi to eh. But I have to finish muna dito para kumbaga I wanted to finish first before I fix everything. Lagyan yung gitna nito nandun sa loob. Hindi ko pa kinakabit but yeah. Tapos that's the pull out. Ito ay yung brace natin sa loob. That's the brace for the front. Cabinet. This one's the pull out for your fridge. Goes back. Goes back. This is snug kasi sinag ko talaga dito para dyan sa area na to. Para dyan sa anong tawag dito? Para dyan sa ano nung board. Patungan ng board. So yeah, that's snug. That's supposed to be the Pecron. Yun lang naman. So just finish up the flip boards. That's basically it. Put it here, inside. Oh. Tas, I was planning to make you a secret pocket here. Kasi ito, hindi ko pa naman finifix to. Pero I was planning to make you a secret pocket here. Para all your stuff can be, added inside. Something that Meds doesn't have. So, yeah. Something that Meds doesn't have. May lalagyan ko na lang ng stopper sa loob para at least hindi siya pumasok. But yeah, this is snug. It won't really move. So, yun lang naman. Ito, this is the extension ng USB port natin na hub. So, dito ko ilalagay yun. So, dito ko ilalagay yung hub na yun. I'll place everything once it's fixed. But yeah. Basically, yun lang naman yun. I'll do the flipboard. Right now, actually, I'm about to cut. So, yun lang.